the February. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go over my February BoxyCharm. I kind of feel like I got this box a little late because of the weather, but also I'm kind of excited for this box because I think I got an extra item. I did kind of go through it to see all the things that I got so I can do, like, I could be a little bit more prepped as far as like the tutorial I can do for you guys. So I know the items that are in here, but I haven't used them before, so they're all new to me. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Obviously this is the Valentine's Day box with all the cute hearts, and you get 5 items. The first item that I want to go over so that way I can kind of like do my look as we go along is this Tula skincare, and this is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, which is perfect because I needed to actually exfoliate my skin and I haven't, and I noticed that I got this, so I figured I might as well just do it on camera. So this is the first time I'm using this. I don't know if anybody else has used this before. Let me know how you guys think about it, because you know, you really can't see much with skincare items right away. I love skincare stuff, so I am actually excited to use this. This is actually $32. So it has ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, and it's a scrub that targets your blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of your pores. It does say to apply it on clean skin with warm water and then gently massage it in circular motion before rinsing thoroughly. And you can use it 2 to 3 times per week. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face again and have some warm water, and then we're gonna just go through this, right? So this is what the bottle looks like, and it's almost like a pink jelly kind of a thing with black little dots, and I feel like those are like exfoliating fibers or something. Is that the right word? I don't know. Alright, so my face is cleansed. I do have warm water, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and gently massage in circular motion before rinsing thoroughly. I will give you guys a disclaimer. It smells like raspberries. But my disclaimer is that always do a patch test. I don't. I should, but I don't. Mostly because a lot of things don't really mess my skin up, and if it does, it probably does it later because I don't notice it right away. But this is where a lot of my pores and blackheads are, so I'm gonna concentrate it over there. But yeah, circular motion, so it does exfoliate. It feels good actually. I feel like that should be good. Get all the spots. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this off. Be right back. Alright, so I pat dried, and oh, it feels really soft, which I like. I'll give you my first impression, which I kind of feel like is that it is very soft. It's soft. It does feel nice and clean. And yeah, actually it is really soft. I did have some white dots left over, and I did like cleanse it, but there were some white dots left over. I guess I just have to just wash it off a little better, I guess. I don't know. But like over here, like where I really like rub that in, it feels really soft. But yeah, I feel like this is really nice. It has all those amazing ingredients that I told you before, like pink salt, volcanic sand, witch hazel. And it has like good for you ingredients like probiotics, raspberry leaf, which is basically what I smelled. I could smell the raspberry, and pomegranate. It's supposed to make your skin feel more balanced and softer, and I do feel like it does feel soft. So it's great to do before a makeup, and I love to exfoliate my skin before I do makeup because I feel like you get like a smoother finish. But it was easy, it smelled great, and yeah, it's with probiotics and superfoods. So that's the first item. Next, I have this bag. It's from Glamier. I think that's how you say it. It's a cute little bag. It's like a shimmery, sparkly bag, and inside you get 4 eyeshadow brushes. These are so adorable. They're very cute. I love when I get brushes. I mean, I'm always trying to grow my brush collection, and I have quite a few actually, and it really helps because you don't have to wash as often in between looks because you have plenty of brushes to go through, so I can just keep those other ones aside and then wash them later. But these are so pretty. Look at that. It's like that type, you know, when you used to have those pens back in the days. I don't know if you guys remember, but it has these like glitters and stuff in between, and the hearts will just go back and forth. the Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. This set features 4 essential eye brushes and it has ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, makes blending easy and flawless. And this is $29.95. So that will go perfect with the next 2 items that I have, and yes, 2 items. I got 2 eyeshadows and I don't know if it was a mistake. I don't think I was supposed to get this one because it is not on my list, and now I don't know if it's like an extra item that they gave me because I did have some problems with my box for this month, so don't know if that's why. But I got 2 eyeshadows which I'm very, very excited for. This one is by Ace Beauty and it is their Nostalgia palette. And already the packaging looks so cute. That's how the cover looks like. It's really, really beautiful. The colors are gorgeous and there's so many ranges to choose from. So pretty. So I'm going to hold off on this one. You're just gonna have to wait because I am doing a tutorial with this one and it is going to be a collab, so I'm very excited for that. So just wait for this one and it is going to come soon. But this is the one that I did get with my box and it is $38.99 and it has 15 colors, and yeah, I'm gonna go over more of it when I do that video, so just hold on, okay? This is the only one I'm not going to review today, but luckily we have another palette, and very surprisingly so. And this is the Queen palette. It is the Eloise palette, and I think that's how you say it. This is so pretty, the cover. And these are the gorgeous colors that are in this, and I will do a tutorial with this one for this video. And it has really, really pretty colors, and it does seem to have a lot more shimmers. So this, I don't know how much it is. It is not mentioned in here, so I don't know if somebody made a mistake, but thank you. So this one has 20 pigments and it has 8 mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, and 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. These do have names on them. The colors are so pretty. I will swatch some of them for you. I feel like a lot of these colors over here, this and these, are something that I will use all the time. You know, the browns and everything, they're so versatile. Like, you could use them for any kind of look. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these for you. Why don't I just go in with Sheba, which is right here, and I feel like this I would use as a transition color. Hopefully these are pigmented. Oh, that is very pigmented. I like. Oh, that's such a pretty color. All right, so I'm gonna go into Kingdom and see how that is. Ooh, these are actually quite pigmented. Let's try this blue right here. Ooh, that is nice. Let's go into Empress. I like that. That's okay. It's not as pigmented as I would like for it to be. It is kind of a double do that, but the color is pretty. Let's do Majesty, which is this purple, which I really wanted to like dig into. Nice. I'm gonna do Your Highness. Ooh. Ooh. I think I'll do Honorable. Honorable is such a pretty color. Ooh, that is pretty. Like, I feel like I can't get enough. And then we'll do Sovereign, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous like blue color right here. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I want to use that so badly. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a look for you guys with this. I just don't know what look to do. I might just do something really simple just so I don't keep this video too long. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I primed my lid with the Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand, and also set it with the Huda Beauty Baking Powder in Blondie, because there really isn't a setting color on here. So I'm gonna use the brush by Glamour. Let's just go into Sheba and see how that looks. It is actually quite pigmented. Try to do a simple look just so we can just see how the colors are on the lid. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna go into Kingdom, which is right next to it, and just deepen that up. And I mean, I really do like this color. Just a light touch of that. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna go into my base with Amina. Maybe we'll do like a darker look. Let's see how dark. And I'm just gonna take that flat brush that I got from Glimmer. And I'm actually kind of like packing it on. Yeah, see, that color is not as pigmented as I would like for it to be. Yeah, I really had to pack that on. I'm just going to take that other brush that I did for the transition and just kind of like smoothen it out to give it a better transition. I think I'll go into my inner corners with Ronnie right here, which is this gold. I hope that gold shows out really nice. So I'm going to take this small flat brush. I'm trying to use all the brushes that I got with this. Oh, guys, oh my, this is nice. Oh my goodness, I did not expect that. So I'm adding most of the pigment here and just kind of just spreading it out a little and just basically diffusing it as I go out. So I love how that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and just use that plain brush that I had before and kind of diffuse that line a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, so this is as far as I'm going to go with the top eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, do the rest of my eyes as far as eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I think the eyes look so pretty, so let's go ahead and finish this look. I was thinking of just going into the bottom with Kingdom, which is the dark brown that we used. The only brush I haven't used from Glimmer is this like flat brush, which would be really great for like brows or like, you know, for a liner, but I'm gonna go into the bottom with that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Kingdom. I might need to go darker later and just bring that into the bottom. Normally I wouldn't use this brush for the bottom, but I'm trying to use all the brushes that I got. And we can go a little bit darker, so I will be doing that. Pretty. So I do actually kind of like how that looks, but I am going to go into Amina, which was the darkest color that we used, and I'm going to go into my outer corner with that one. I'm just going to use the same brush for that, just to deepen up the outer corners just a little bit, and then that's going to bring the whole look together. So I'm going to take the same brush that I used for Ronnie right here, and I'm going to take that color, and I'm going to finish up my inner corners, as in bring it back around, finish up that semicircle, and bring it a little bit in to the bottom lid. Alright, so that's it as far as the shadow. I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to my bottom. And I think for my bottom liner, I'm going to go in with this ColourPop cream liner in the color Joyride. This is one of the liners that I got with like a whole bunch of ColourPop stuff, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it up here. Go check it out. It was amazing. It just continues that red. So now all that is done, and I have 2 more products left, so let's go and see what they are. So next I have this Wander Beauty lip and cheek, so obviously that's why I left my lips and my cheeks off. So it's this little palette that has I'm assuming the cheek on top, right there. That's a really pretty color. And the lips on the bottom. And it has a mirror, ooh. Alright, first I'm going to go ahead and use this for my lip because my lips need some hydration. I took the hydration from earlier off. So this is like perfect for travel because you have 2-in-1 and you can just take it with you. So this is like a cream cheek as well, and I guess you can use it for your lips as well if you wanted to. But that's the color. That is such a pretty color. I feel like this would be really nice to use when you don't want too much makeup on and you just want to put a nice little cheek and maybe just some lashes. This would be really nice for that. It'll give you that nice glowy flushed look. Oh, that would be so pretty. So because I already have a full face on and I have all my powders and everything going, I'm going to go ahead and use a different technique to put this on. I'm going to take the bottom of my sponge and I'm going to, there's no product on here, I haven't used the bottom. I'm going to just pack it on there a little bit, and you can actually just pack it on the back of your hand, and then I'm just going to dab on my cheeks. Ooh, I like that. And I feel like this way you don't have to brush off your products that are already on your face. Now, if you don't want to keep doing that, you could just go ahead and do this. Put it on the back of your hand and then go into the back of your hand and use it. This is so pretty. Ooh, it gives you a nice little glow. I love. I feel like I really don't need highlighter with this. I really like that. So this is really pretty, and I think you can use it on your lips. Maybe I should. Let me just use a little bit of that on my lips. Yeah, I wouldn't wear it on its own because I feel like it's a little too light for me. All right, so let me try this again, but really lightly. I'm gonna go into the NYX lip liner in brown and try to give it a little bit more color. I basically filled my lip with that. And then I'm gonna go back into the blush and just put it in the center. Oh, I like. Ooh, why do I like that so much? If I could do it right. Ooh, maybe too much. That's so pretty. That is so pretty, you guys. And then if you wanted to add a little shine, you can just go to the bottom and take a little bit of that gloss and just gloss it up. Oh, that is so pretty. I love. I really like that. I think that might be one of my favorite products in here. Really nice. Let me highlight real quick. So I added a little bit of highlighter on my brow bones and on my nose. I didn't add any on my cheeks because I really don't think I need any. I think this is giving it a nice glow. I really like that product, you guys. It's a great brand. I know Wander is a great brand and I haven't gotten anything from there, but I'm really happy with this. That product is $22 and I think that's pretty worth it because it gives you a nice lip and cheek, but I mean pair it with that NYX lip liner. Brown. Get it, it's beautiful. So I don't know if this is the name of the color, but it's called Double Date. All right, last but not least, I have this NCLA Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I love a good cuticle oil, and this has little parts in it that just move around. It's like you can shake it, it's just like those brushes. And this is $18. It's basically supposed to hydrate and nourish your nails. I love doing my nails. I feel like it's just like another spa day for me, just like when I do masks and stuff. So when I go and do my nails, I really go into my cuticles. I clean everything out. I use cuticle oil, so I love this. I'm actually gonna put some on right now. You just put a little dot on your cuticles. It has a little bit of a perfumey type of a smell. And then you just like rub it into your cuticles. And every time I do this, I feel like, oh, like I treated myself, like I had a good like me day, self-care type of a moment, because I really go into it and just kind of like really do something really nice with my nails. So that kind of just really hydrates your cuticles, which I think is very important just for like healthy nails, you know? And that concludes my BoxyCharm for February. I am very happy with this box. I am in love with that Wander blush and lip, and the eyeshadow turned out really nice. So let me know which product you guys really liked and if you like my eyeshadow look. And if you do get a BoxyCharm, let me know the items that you guys got. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!